Time now, race number 3. All set now. Ready to race. Race number 3. Another 1200 meters. And the race on. It's a jump start beating for Apo Mystery from the outside is Sauvignon. Erica's jump down on the inside is Friendly Fire. Apo Mystery by Hapalan Sauvignon. Erica's jump Friendly Fire. Racing on the outside, G's Queen, number 7. Down on the inside is entry number 3, Loretta. Purely Kali racing in 7th position. 8 belongs to number 8, Make No Mistake. And rounding the far turn, Apo Mystery by a length and a half. Sauvignon, G's Queen closing in 3rd. And racing by the Friendly Fire, Erica Champ, Loretta, Elter Skelter, Purely Kali, Make No Mistake. As they race to final corner, Apo Mystery by Hapoline, G's Queen is on the outside, Friendly Fire, Sauvignon, and down the stretch they come. Apo Mystery, G's Queen to grab the lead. It's now G's Queen, Apo Mystery, Friendly Fire, Sauvignon, Erica's Champ, Jomel Lazaro on number 7, G's Queen second. Apo Mystery, Sauvignon close with Erica's Champ, Friendly Fire, Pentafecta.